Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can tame and breed llamas inside of Minecraft. Now, if you're unfamiliar with llamas, they're like real-world llamas. They can be led in little caravans. You can lead them with a lead. You can't really put a saddle on them and ride them as easily as you can horses, but they're really useful because you can equip them with chests in order to carry your stuff on long trips. And you can have a little conga line of up to 10 llamas without having to individually tie a lead to every single one of them. And you can find them in savannas, savanna plateaus, windswept savannas, windswept hills, windswept forests, windswept gravelly hills, and just kind of wandering around with traders like the ones that are way over there. So the way that you can tame them is with an empty hand. You can ride them repeatedly, which I know is kind of funny considering like they're not really meant to be ridden, but to tame them you have to ride them until hearts appear around their body, just like that. And then after that happens, they are your llama and they are fully tamed. And you have to tame them in order to breed them. They will not accept food from you otherwise. So it can take a moment. You just got to keep trying to ride them over and over again until they stop kicking you off of their back. And it can be a little awkward, but it goes pretty fast for most of them. Once you have them tamed, you got a couple options. You can slap a couple of chests on them to store stuff, which is really handy. And when you get on top of them and ride them, you can actually hit E to access their storage chests and put, you know, stuff like wood inside their chests and stuff. Whatever you really want. Makes it kind of interesting to store your stuff and have them follow you from place to place. And you can also feed them a bale of hay, which is made up of 9 wheat, in order to breed them. You feed them 1 each until hearts appear. They'll do the horizontal mambo and spit out a baby. So yeah, they're a little bit more expensive to breed, but they have a little bit more utility than your average animal because you can slap chests on them. And then you can lead them around and they form like a little caravan. So if you found that helpful, I've been your host Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a brief look at how to breed, find, and tame llamas.